In a fast-paced industrial world, safety isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Introducing SlowStop, the innovative solution revolutionizing impact protection. SlowStop's patented elastomer technology absorbs and dissipates energy unlike any other system on the market. With ductile iron materials, our bollards flex without yielding, maintaining strength and durability under pressure. Our modular design, crafted with high-quality metal pipes and bolt-together connectors, offers flexibility and resilience for all environments. Rigid systems fail by transferring impact energy to posts, rails, and flooring, leading to costly repairs. SlowStop absorbs that energy, protecting concrete, vehicles, personnel, and the system itself. Reusable and sustainable, SlowStop systems are built for endurance and efficiency. Strength that rivals embedded bollards without the expense of core drilling. SlowStop offers independently tested and rated solutions tailored to your needs. Choose from our 4 sizes to match your application and ensure maximum protection. Strong rebounding bollards for everyday protection of dock doors, buildings and entrances, utilities, and more. Couple with the industry's quietest dock bumpers. Iron Flex railings provide flexible all-steel construction in any configuration you can imagine. Modular connectors and steel pipe for maximum protection of utilities, conveyors, machinery, and operators. Pedestrian handrail with the stopping power of our 4-inch Iron Flex railing. Composite modular flex rail guardrail for long aisle protection in single or double configuration. Protect rack ends, walls, electrical panels, and more with our low horizontal protectors. Ideal against forklift counterweights. Use as wheel guides that withstand daily punishment. Critical columns need protection from impacting damage often hidden by cheap plastic column wraps. Where fork intrusion is a concern, our fork protection plates offer flexibility that plastic curbing mounted to the floor can't. For unique needs, SlowStop offers custom designs ensuring you're covered, no matter the application. We'll work with you every step of the way to give you the ultimate customer experience. SlowStop doesn't just protect, it redefines safety. Choose innovation. Choose strength. Choose SlowStop.